Today we're going to be testing out the Bissell Spot Clean Pro portable carpet cleaner. We are going to be testing it on several different stains, as you can see here. Let's see if it gets it out. What do you think?
Research complete.
Is the Bissell Spot Clean Pro. At the time of videoing this, it's a little about $164, and you can find the link below in my description. It comes with a few various accessories, as you can see here, and even a little bit of a spot clean solution. This is the deep clean brush, so let's try it out. This stain has been here for maybe 10 years old, and we're gonna try and remove it. Let's see if it can get rid of the stain or not. Such a deep old stain. So you take the handle, you put in the new solution in there, turn it on. It's quite loud after plugging it in. There's my new solution, turning it on, and let's see how it does. There's a little nozzle on the handle, and you just spray the solution on, like so, and just kind of brush it after you spray. And it'll start absorbing some of that dirt and oil. Give that a couple of tries. You'll see here the dirty water enters. You'll see how dirty the water gets right there, and that's pretty gross. Let's try on the other parts of the couch. You'll see it's sucking up the dirty water right there and the soap. So on this stain, we're going to try it on this one as well. And these ones on the little bit of a carpet. Same motion, scrubbing and rubbing it in. Overall, the stains are still sort of there. It didn't remove it too well, but maybe we'll just try give it a go again. Seems like some of these stains, it's having trouble getting them out. Let's try some spaghetti sauce on my carpet. That's fairly new, not too old. Do the same thing with the spray and the scrub. It's getting a little bit lighter there. See it kind of getting out of there. More and more, and it's getting lighter. Get it in deep there. You'd see it's definitely getting a little bit lighter, not completely gone. So, and here's that couch. You can still see the stain there, but it got out pretty okay. So what do y'all think? Is it a buy? Go ahead and like and subscribe, and if you like what you see, you can go ahead and buy it in my link below. Thank you.